Since I really do not trust PostNord, which is the company handling the postal services in Sweden, I'm going to open this package while filming. It should contain my new camera. It's taped all around with clear plastic tape. This is a bit loose, but not enough to get to the contents, I guess. So let's open this. The assholes at PostNord sent me, I've been waiting for this for almost a month. And the assholes at PostNord sent me a letter saying, why haven't you picked up your package yet? And I didn't even get the first notice, and I called their customer service several times asking where my package is. And they just said, it hasn't arrived in Sweden yet. Well, obviously it has, because it's been waiting for me, but they couldn't tell me that actually was the case. So the guy I got it from obviously did a great job with packaging. And that's it for packaging, or for the contents. So it should contain the Lumix GH5 camera, which this package should hopefully contain. And he has the original packaging and everything. Looks almost brand new, except it's obviously been opened since he's been using it. And it should only be the camera house, not the lens. Let's see here. And everything seems to be in order. Anything else here? We have power cord. Obviously can't use this since I'm in Sweden. He sent this to me from Ireland, but I have substitute cord with my connection that I can use. Carry straps. Yeah, I'll go through this later. Let's have a look at the camera house and see if there's any obvious damage to it. It looks, on first glance, perfectly fine. It looks actually brand new. Remember to give him perfect scores on eBay for that. And what else do we have? So the Swedish Postal Service is shit. We tried to deny a friend of mine his magazines. He bought magazines from Russia, and they tried to stop them at the border because magazines is apparently a firearms component that needs a special license and permit. No, they're not. It's a plastic box. So Allen key and some more plastic. And what's this? This is a way to attach to tripod, I guess. So this should be a speed booster. Yeah, so this is Viltrox mount adapter EFM2 0.71 times. So this would make it so that I can use EF lenses, which is Canon lenses, on this Lumix. Since I don't get a lens with it, I want to be able to use my Canon lenses since I have a shitload of Canon lenses. This package deal I got was actually super good because it contains everything I need to get started right away filming and cosplaying a really good YouTuber. Let's see what this is. This should be another charging piece of charging kit, and hopefully some batteries is somewhere in this packaging. So this is so I can charge two at once. still this same cable. Come on, get out of there. Well, I guess I should use more violence later. Anyway, so dual charger for the batteries, which can come in handy. A regular charger that comes with, this is a little bit heavy, so I'm guessing the spare batteries are in this piece of packaging. Yeah, this should be a small rig cage as well. Makes sense to put batteries inside of that for protection. Really good packaging. There we go. And here's the small rig, which I put on the outside of the camera to make it look all pro and awesome. There should be a carry handle for the small rig as well, which this looks like it might be. Yes, here we go. A carry handle, and I can put a monitor on this as well if I need to have a really large viewfinder. This feels like it could be the batteries I was talking about. Yeah, this is a brick of batteries. So we have 1, 2, and 3 and 4 batteries. That should last me a long time. Okay, everything advertised was in the package. Now let's just hope it all works, right? Okay, awesome. Now to put this all together and learn how to use this piece of kit. It's gonna be awesome. I hope I'm able to make some cool videos out of this. See ya, guys. Okay, so I got my camera working. Several different obstacles to come through. Figuring out how to use it, basically. Figuring out which format I need to save it in, because the good format apparently doesn't work with DaVinci, my editing software. Figuring out shitload of things, but the important thing is the quality is there. I use my phone usually, and it's a good phone, but can't compare to a camera like this, of course. And my Canon lenses work fine, so everything is hunky-dory. But it's kind of big and awkward to carry around, so we'll see. I'll try to remember to focus on the lens and not the viewfinder. And I'll hopefully be able to do some cool videos with this going forward. Right, so we'll see what happens. Everything works fine at least, so that's good. See ya.